Okay, so state which values can be excluded from the domain. Okay, so domain are your input numbers. Okay, the other word you'll hear is range, and range are your output numbers. Okay, what are the illegal input numbers? Well, there's two ways to cause math error on your calculator. One way is try and square root. If you try and square root a negative number, okay, you'll get math error. Okay, you can. So you may get a situation where you get some strange I, and that may be if A-level student has switched their calculator to a different mode. Don't worry about that, but if you get some weird number that's nothing you recognize, or math error, you've done something illegal. You square rooted a negative number, and that's illegal. The other thing that causes a problem is if you had division. I do 5 and divided by 0, okay, I get math error. Okay, so you can't divide by 0, and you cannot square root a negative number. Okay, well, in this case, then I must not square root a negative. Okay, that you mustn't do. Okay, so I need to ask myself, okay, when is x minus 6 negative? Well, something's negative if it's less than 0. Okay, if x minus 6 is less than 0, it's negative. And if I solve the inequality by adding 6 to both sides, I find that x, okay, must not be less than 6. If x is less than 6, okay, say for instance 5, I'm going to get minus 1, okay, and square root of negative, and I'm going to get math error, okay? So my answer to this question is x must not be less than 6.